we have completed all the chapters, everything we completed, and we did so many revisions also. Now we'll start with the chapter wise revisions, okay? And now we'll start what? Chapter wise. Each chapter will take one chapter and we'll do the some of the revision from that. Okay, the interesting revisions we have, interesting questions we have in that, and these questions will be from the middle of the chapter. Okay, though it will be in the chapter only. I'm not giving the outside questions here. I'm selecting the questions from the chapters and I'm giving you the answers and questions also. Okay, will you practice it? It will help you to read the chapter easily. In the easy way you can read it, and it will help you to write the exam in the correct manner. Okay, in these worksheets we have everything. We have a true and false, match the following, question and answers, everything I will give you which are possible in that chapter. I will select it and I will give you. Okay, before we start the revision, we'll start with the what, children? The prayer. Okay, all of you close your eyes and repeat after me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Okay, now we'll start with the revision worksheet. The worksheet from chapter what? Food for plants. Okay, the first main. What is the first main, children? The first main. Plant, fill in the blanks. The first main is what? Fill in the blanks. The first question. A plant needs dash, dash and dash and dash to make food. What all things food need? The plant need. Plant, what it needs, children? Plant needs some of the things. What all things it needs? What all things it needs, children? Okay, plant needs what all things? Plant needs carbon dioxide. Okay, water it needs, sunlight it wants, and the chlorophyll. These are all things what the plant need. The plant need what? Plant need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and the chlorophyll. It wants these all things to prepare the food, children. Without these all things, it can't prepare the food only. They collect the food items. These all things in the which area? The thinny pores present on the leaf. The thinny pores present on the leaf. Okay. It prepares the food in the which area? The leaf area. It prepares the food with the help of carbon dioxide, with the help of water, with the help of sunlight, with the help of chlorophylls. Okay, these all things, they are helpful to make them a food. Next question. Water absorbed by the dash reaches the leaves with the help of narrow tubes. With the help narrow tubes. Narrow tubes. Okay. What all things? The water absorbed by the dash reaches the leaves with the help of narrow tubes. Roots. Now, what all things, the water inside the earth, we have a water now. That water, which part absorbs? Roots. Okay, ಬೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ, ನೀರನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರ. ಭೂಮಿಯಿಂದ ಬೇರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇಟ್ passes through the ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾವ, ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾವ. ದಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. That leaves start preparing the food. Next question. The carbon dioxide gas is obtained with the help of tinny dash what? Tinny pores and stomata. Okay, ಏನೇನದು ಭೂಮಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಹೇಳ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಾ ಮತ್ತು ಥಿನ್ನಿ ಪೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೈತಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಾ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸ್ಟೊಮಾಟಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. Okay, please copy these answers, children. These are the 3 fill in the blanks I am giving you now. Please copy it. I am giving you 2 minutes to complete this question. Please fill in the blanks. Next, we'll move on to the next question. Please copy these all things. Now, fourth main.